Welcome back to Happy Hands and Hearts. When you send a message across the world, you might imagine it flying through space to a satellite. But 99% of the internet doesn't fly, it swims. The logic of our global connection is not a cloud in the sky, but a physical nervous system of glass and armor hidden miles beneath the ocean. This is the logic of submarine cables. How do billions of photos move across the Atlantic in a single second? This is the logic of fiber optics. Inside a cable no thicker than a garden hose are strands of glass as thin as human hair. The logic here is total internal reflection. We convert your data into pulses of light. This light bounces inside the glass tube at incredible speeds. We aren't sending electricity, we are sending lightning-fast flashes of logic through a mirror-line tunnel. The deep ocean is a dangerous place. From shark bites to shifting tides and heavy ship anchors, the internet is under constant threat. To protect the logic, these tiny glass hairs are wrapped in layers of steel, tar, and plastic. This is the logic of redundant shielding. Near the shore, where ships are plenty, the cable is as thick as a tree trunk. In the deep sea, where it is quiet, it is thin and flexible. We have built an unbreakable armor for our information. There isn't just one cable, there are hundreds. They follow the same paths used by ancient sailing ships. If one cable is cut by an accident, the internet doesn't die. The logic of the network instantly reroutes the data to another cable. This is path redundancy. The world is literally tied together by these logical threads. We are more connected physically than we have ever been digitally. The internet isn't magic, it's a physical masterpiece. When we understand the cables, we understand that logic needs a home. Logic is universal. Tools are temporary. Anybody can learn tech. Thank you for joining the vault.